email marketing. So by clicking on add subscriber, you have two options: to add a single subscriber by adding their information and assigning them to a list, or to import them. So here from a CSV file, you can import a bulk amount of subscribers and contacts that you have. So you can start email them if you have built your list somewhere else. But keep in mind, this has to be people who have consent for you sending them emails. Otherwise, you're not permitted to send cold emails, etc. So here you have the two options: single subscriber or to import a user. So you can add a user and you see here the information about them. You can of course create your lists as well. Lists are basically, you can send people to those lists and organize your subscribers that way. Another way is to have them via segments. Segments, it's just like in the CRM. Basically, you have the ability to create a segment based on specific information. So let's say all the people who are from Australia, that can be a filter, and all the people with that criteria will be saved as a segment. So you can save it as a segment, let's say Australians, if you want them to segment them like this. And now you have your saved segments with all people that are all subscribers that are matching this filter. And then you have the unsubscribed users. These are people who have unsubscribed or bounced from your sendings, so they will not be emailed anymore. So yeah, you can check them as well. So this is how simple it is to create your lists and add subscribers. So what are the other ways to add subscribers to your list? If you already have contacts in your contacts area, like this user for example, we can now add it to be a subscriber. So not all the subscribers are contacts, but not all contacts are subscribers, because you might not want to email all the contacts that you have. So you can then, when you click on the user, first of all, you have two different ways. You can subscribe them from here and assign them to a group from the marketing details option, or you can just mark it and click on add contact to a list, which will ask you to select to which list. Currently we have just one, and just click on save. So that will now add this user to the list of subscribers. And that's how simple it is to add a subscriber. So this is the third option from existing contacts that you have. And the fourth, and probably the most used that you have, is to actually populate your lists with users by submitting something on your website or funnel. So let's go to our website, to the builder, and you can do that with any widget like contact, like quizzes, like forms, like donations, like checkouts. You can send those people into the email marketing. So let's go into our contact page and have this form inside. So when submitting this form, you can send the users to start blasting them emails, for example, to send them to an automation flow. You can go to the settings of the form, and now you have this option to connect to email marketing. And when you click on select a list, you can select and see all the lists enabled that you can add people to, or you can create a new list from here. So you can, let's say, select the default list, and this is it. Basically now everybody who submits these forms will be added to the selected list, or lists if you select multiple ones. You now also have the option to enable double opt-in. What is this? So if somebody submits the form, by having a double opt-in, they will not be added to the list unless they click in a link in the email. Why is that? Why do you want to do that? Because a lot of people are sometimes submitting false information, so the email might not be theirs, or it can be a spam or something like that. So you don't have to add all these people and have a bad reputation for your sending score. You can have them by having to click on the link sent to their email that they submitted in order to verify that this is actually their email. Otherwise, if they don't click, of course, that would mean that they're not the owners of the actual email. So this is a great way to filter those people who might not be real, to enable the double opt-in. Everything is automated, so you don't have to worry about sending that email. That is sent through the system, and if they click on the link, automatically they'll be added to the list. So this is how simple it is and the 4 ways to add subscribers to your list and subscribers, create your list and segments to your email marketing automations. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and talk to you in the next one.